The Barbell Power Clean is an advanced total body exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the hamstrings, glutes, shoulders, and back. The difference between a power clean and a regular clean is with a power clean you will land in a partial squat rather than a full squat. To get started, stand over the barbell with the balls of your feet positioned under the bar, pointing forward at hip width distance. Squat down and grip the bar with an overhand grip just outside your hips. Position your shoulders slightly in front of the bar while maintaining the natural arch in your lower back. Pull the bar off the floor by extending your hips and knees as your shoulders rise up at the same time. Ensure you keep the bar close to your body. Once the bar reaches your knees, explosively extend your hips as you shrug your shoulders to pull the bar up while keeping it close to your body. Pull your body under the bar by rotating your elbows under the bar, then catch the bar in a front rack position on your shoulders while in a partial squat. Extend your legs to stand up with the barbell in the front rack position. Safely lower the bar back to the ground and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.